Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Tether from Kraken to Exmo in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT for trading, investing, or just better opportunities, this guide will walk you through it step by step. By the end, you'll feel confident handling this transfer securely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Exmo. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, but always double-check your balances and fees before proceeding. Security is key in crypto, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms if you haven't already. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets, or Funding, section. It's usually in the top menu. Here, you'll see a list of your assets. Find Tether, USDT, and click on it to access the withdrawal options. Next, select Withdraw for USDT. You'll need to enter the destination address, which is your Exmo wallet address. Pro tip: copy and paste this address directly from Exmo to avoid any typos. Mistakes here could mean lost funds forever. Also, choose the right network, like Tron or Ethereum, depending on what Exmo supports for USDT in 2025. Check for any minimum withdrawal amounts or network fees displayed on Kraken. Now, review the details carefully. You'll see the amount you're withdrawing, the fees involved, and the estimated arrival time. If everything looks good, hit Confirm, and complete any additional security steps, like entering a 2FA code. Once the withdrawal is initiated, keep an eye on your transaction. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Exmo account and check the deposit section to confirm when the funds arrive. And just like that, you've successfully withdrawn Tether from Kraken to Exmo. Remember, crypto markets can be volatile, so always stay informed and never withdraw more than you're comfortable with. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.